Hi, it's Travis down at the Steel Magnolia. Still doing projects on the Trailmanor and wanted to show you what the latest project was. Let's take a look. We know the issues with the two-piece door, the upper half and the lower half, and them meeting appropriately. Well, I know that the current thing is putting a window sash latch, the kind that twists, mounts top and bottom, and that's my old original one that was on it when I bought the thing. But this is what I've put on, and it's actually small. It's 4 inches tall. Now, I admit it's not nearly as decorative as one of the other ones, but for me it's a lot more functional, because as things wear and things changes, sometimes that may have too much tension or not enough grab depending on the position of the camper. But this is very simple. It rolls up and drops down out of the way, and this is adjustable, so you can screw this in and out to shorten or lengthen the throw, and you can see the difference as we're going along here. And as I push up on the door, you can see the amount of adjustment that I need to make. Okay, so let's take this. I'm doing this one-handed. Put it over the top, and you can watch it pull together. That locks in the down position. And all is good. Now, I did mount the top screw for this piece right here. This is one piece of aluminum here. This is all the same piece. But underneath here, under this screw, I did have to put a couple of washers under there to take up that difference. Also, underneath this part of the latch, I had to add a washer underneath there to compensate for the difference in the distance from being vertical to the bottom latch. But anyway, it's working good. Just wanted to share. Hope you're having an amazing day. This is Travis down at the Steel Magnolia.